Hey, how's it going there? Two Guns Fitness and Training. My name's Amari. I'm with Taurus SEO, and we're looking for a business partner. We're looking for one in the fitness and personal training space, and we came across your guys' website. Looking through Google, and we think you guys could be a good fit to partner with. We're looking for someone respectable, reputable, which is why we're sending you this video just to show some goodwill on how you can increase your search engine optimization and ranking on Google. We found you here on the second page of Google. You see you're on the second page and you're closer to the top, but really you want to be here. You want to be on the first page. You want to be taking up this My Business pack right here. This is prime real estate, and beating out your competitors. OP Fitness is your number one competitor right now. So really, we just need to be doing more than what these guys are, because most of the time customers aren't clicking on Yelp. So just going to show you some really cool tips on how you can increase your SEO rating and ranking on Google. The first thing you want to do, is get some really good authoritative content on your home page. When Google comes and it searches a website to determine its ranking, it's looking for content. It's looking for, what you guys, are your keywords like fitness, training, goals, fitness goals, personal training, coaching. It's searching every single thing, on your website to figure out, what you guys are about and what your website is about and how to get it ranking. So the more words, you have on your homepage, the more you become an authority on whatever you're looking for. So for example, showed you real quick. I'm just gonna actually we'll type something else in. So if you type in horses in Google, the first thing that pops up is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the first organic listing that pops up on Google because they are an authority on information related to horses. Anything related to horses, it'll be something that a Wikipedia page will cover. So relaying that to your homepage and having authoritative content relating to personal training, fitness, coaching, is something that's going to greatly improve your social your search engine optimization and your ranking. The next thing that you want to do is you want to start getting, some backlinks. And what a backlink is, it's basically a vote from another website. So if we come here using this tool, we can see how many referring domains are sending backlinks to your website. You can see these are the three websites: US Fitness Finder, crmmo.org. These are the three sites that are linking to your website, and you can see their metrics here. So looking at your site specifically, you can see you have a trust flow of 0 and a citation flow of 15. And this is the meat and potatoes of your ranking. This is the back end stuff that's going to get you to rank. And you want this trust flow, to be as high as possible. You want to get more votes, but you want to get more quality votes at the same time from these websites. It's the difference between a neighbor saying, Two Guns Fitness is a fantastic gym, or the governor of Kentucky saying Two Guns Fitness is a fantastic gym. They're both essentially one vote, but one holds a lot more weight than the other, and people are going to listen to one person more than the other. So you want to get some really good quality backlinks, some websites with some really, really good metrics linking to yours. So you want to get websites with trust flows in the 20s and 30s and citation flows in the 40s and 50s. Also um, looking at one of your competitors. Yeah, so looking at your guys' main competitor for for real estate on Google, OP Fitness, this is their website. They're not really doing anything really crazy with content. on their website. They don't have a lot of pages, and the pages that they do have just doesn't have a lot of wording and information on it. So they're not utilizing Google's algorithms for keywords. And if we come over here and look at their back end, you can see that they do have some more links. They have about 4 more backlinks than you, but the quality here is a bit better. They have a trust flow of 8 and a citation flow of 19. Compared to your 0 and your 15, that trust flow of 8 is really bringing them up. So working to get some good quality backlinks is gonna significantly improve your rankings on Google, and I can show you how to do that. The next thing that you want to do, actually, just going back here, another thing that you want to do, you want to have your phone number on your homepage. You want it mobile friendly. When someone comes in, see your phone number, they can immediately call you. Having a click to call phone number on the top left, top right corner, it doesn't matter, but you do want that there. The next thing that you want to do on page 1 is you want to get yourself your Google My Business listing. I'm not sure if it's under more businesses, but if you don't, you want to go and get a Google My Business listing for your company. And then once you get that listing, you want to get current clients, ex-clients, potential clients, future clients, family members of clients, your family members, strangers off the street, as many people as you possibly can, because you want to send them here so they can start giving 5-star ratings. This is what is going to bring you up. Google loves when you use their service, their Google My Business, but they love even more when you get other people to use it, to send them reviews. That's why, Google reviews for restaurants is such a big thing. Restaurants, stores, anywhere you want to see a good Google review on it, because that just means more people are willing to review it, which says a lot about the company. So yeah, those are 4 things that would really help you with your social media not social media, your search engine optimization, conversion, getting more people to your doors, and potentially having more clients. Even though the country's locked down right now, once it does open up, people are going to be looking for personal trainers. They've been getting that COVID-15, they've been gaining weight, and they're going to want personal trainers, and they're going to want to get back on their fitness regimen. And using this time right now to build your search engine and get your business in a prime spot so people can find you is something that you definitely should be investing in right now. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to just reply to the email that you got this video in, or reach out to me, Omar Bacal, at touristseo.co@gmail.com. More than happy to answer your questions, and more than happy to show you some more ways on how you can improve your SEO through keywords, citations, or anything else like that. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope I provided some good value for you. Thanks. Hey, have a beautiful day.